do you say this sound? Do you say this sound as E? E, as in the words seat, feet, beat, seen, in, eat, and so on. Okay, so that is the wrong way to say the sound. How would you make the sound appropriately? The sound is I, I, and not E. The sound is I and not eat. So how would you say it in this word? You have got sit, fit, bit, sin, in, it. The sound is not E. It's not a vowel E sound. It's a vowel letter I sound. So the sound is I. A. Take note, the letter I has got two sounds, and that is you have got A and I. A and I, just like the name I. Okay, so I bet you know how to make the sound appropriately today. I'd like you to start to teach it right, beginning from today. Do well to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to leave a like and of course leave a comment in the comment section. What sound do you find difficult making? I'm here to help you. You're welcome to class Brilliant English with Mercy. Bye bye.